Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel!
Hi!
So ngayon guys, meron akong bubuksan. Ayan, in-order ko to from TikTok. At syempre para to sa aking mga kids!
Before we open it, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can reach 10 million subscribers.
10 million.
And
10 million daw guys. 1 million muna bago 10 million.
When you have 100 subscribers, please click
Ayan guys,
the button.
but before that, intro muna tayo. Pasok!
Wika, Filipino, wika ng bayan, ang inagisnan, ulat ng salita, mula sa kanan, sa mismong sanay, ito ang gamitin, aming ikalangal, hanggang sa baralan, sana magturo, hirang-hirang sa muli ng bilang ko. Ito ang Filipino, ang mula sa ito, ibigan sa laro, nagsasalita dito, itinagdang sa makabagong panahon, dapat isang kami, may paan, kalayaan, ito'y naging saksi ng wika, Pilipino, isang buhay wika, Pilipino, wika ng bayan, aking nagisnan, mula ng sila, mula sa kanan, kami sinasanay, ito ang gamitin, aming ikarangal, hanggang sa baralan, sana magturo, hinayang sa bibingin din ako. Huwag ang Pilipino, akong biyasa rito, ibigan kawala, nagsasalita nito, ipinagtanggol ito ng mga bayani, sa makabagong panahon, dapat isang tabi, kapayapaan, kalayaan, ito'y naging saksi, wikang Pilipino, isa buhay para.
So yun guys,
Weekend about
dumating na yung order ko from TikTok at ito guys ay para to sa aking mga anak. Since yung aking Javid guys ay nanalo sa kanyang tula nitong buwan ng wika.
He won
Ayan.
on his recital.
So, meron kaming gift sa kanya. So hindi
Okay guys, we have the
Sandali.
trophy.
Yeah, may trophy siya, guys. So, since hindi po pwedeng siya lang ang meron, kasama din tong dalawa kasi mag-aaway sila, guys. Mag-aagawan sila. So, ginawa na namin tig-isa sila na dapat ay kay Javid lang kasi nanalo siya, guys, ng tula sa buong grade 1. Siya yung winner. So, ito yung picture niya, guys.
Javid is the winner.
Yan yung picture niya, guys, nung nanalo siya ng tula. O, di ba? Meron siyang reward sa kanyang daddy. Ayan.
Water hand!
So, ito na siya, guys. Bubuksan ko na. Ayan, ito yung lagi niyang nire-request, guys, na toys. Siyempre, laruan talaga yung request ng bata.
Now that is number 4.
So, ito na, guys. So,
Wow!
order from TikTok. So,
Wow!
ayan siya, guys. Excavator with remote control. O, diba, guys? Grabe yung request.
Wow!
Excavator talaga. Ambot, mag-construction siguro to paglaki, guys.
I just wanna be a pilot, but I wanted to have an
Grabe, balot na balot.
Let's get this out. Where is the excavator?
Balot na balot ang mga toys.
That's full of
Sandali kayo nag-unboxing ako para may content ako. So, ito na siya, guys. Wait lang.
Okay. We're getting famous with this one.
Oh.
This one.
So, this one is
3. It's 3. Number 3.
Good.
Number 3.
Ayan. Toys, excavator.
Wow!
This one is for Jumper.
And we're 3.
And this one is for Javed. Basta yung color green kay Javed ha. Yung yellow. Ay, yung yellow sa'yo ay black. At saka yung green at ano kay Javed. And Jaffer. Oh, ayan guys. So, itong remote control na ito na excavator guys is alloy na to siya guys. Alloy. Kaya medyo pricey yung laruan na to. Nag-sale siya guys, nasa 400 plus each lang siya. So, nakamura-mura din kahit papano. Kasi yung original price nito guys ay nasa 600 to 800. So, si TikTok nag-promo kaya...
100 subscribers!
Oh, ayan na siya guys. This color green is for Javed. So, but before that, titingnan ko muna ha kasi nagbablog ako. Oh, so ito guys yung battery. Oh, di ba? Wait lang, Jaffer. You sit down first. You sit down. Ito yung sa'yo. You sit down first. Okay. And this one is the remote control. Oh, remote control. Wait lang ha. You wait guys. Kaya nagbablog pa ako. Char.
Wow!
And the excavator. So ito guys is bakal talaga siya. Oh. Ayan siya guys. Tingnan nyo yung tunog. Kuha ka nga ng kutsara doon, Dad.
Crazy.
Kuha ka ng kutsara doon.
Wow! I'll get a spoon.
Oh, ayan siya guys.
Excavator.
Oh, this one is for Jaffer. Yan.
Buksan ko na yung sa akin.
Oh.
Jaffer.
Ayan siya.
Let's prove it it's made of bakal. Mommy,
Yeah, let's prove it that it's
ibubuksan?
made of bakal, guys. Ay,
Okay,
wait lang, Jaffer. Ayan siya, guys.
Paano ito ibubuksan? Hey, yo! Hey, yo! Mommy!
Shh, you just behave. Wow, that's for Jaffer.
Mommy,
Oh, that's for you.
Mommy,
And this
paano
one
ito
naman, titignan ko. Wait lang, just wait. Inglayas ng isa, guys. Inglayas na si Siwawa. Lumayas na ba?
I'm so excited.
Kaya nakuha na niya yung sa kanya.
So, okay, guys, this is our
And this
remote
one, guys,
control.
is the yellow one. Ayan, yellow one. Ito naman, guys, ay kay Kuya Jalid. Where are you,
Sa
Kuya?
akin ito. Right here.
So, as usual, guys, meron siyang remote.
Oh!
No, that's for Kuya Jalid.
Bigyan mo yung ano, Jabit. What's these two buttons for?
And here's the battery. Ayan, oh.
Maganda pag
And this one is for Kuya Jalid. Bakal din siya, guys.
Excavator.
Alloy siya, alloy. Kaya okay lang siya na mabasa, oh.
Yellow.
Okay, that's yellow.
I've never
Oo.
seen a toy excavator made of bakal.
Oh, this one is for Jaffer. Kay Jaffer, oh, iyaha ang kunon tanan, guys. Uy, naunsa naman ni bata. Uy, asa na yung gunting?
Mommy.
Yes. Giangko na tanan, guys. Wow, and also the green. Yan, here's the color green.
Oh, bakit dalawang green?
Kasi tig-isa sila ni Javed. Kaya dalawang green, guys, kasi dapat pareho sila ni Javed. Ito. Yung aking... Ay, wait lang. Ang hirap kunin. Urong ka doon. You sit down there first.
Ganito pala.
Opo.
That's your mommy.
Wait lang. Kaya ang hirap kunin.
Green excavator.
Yeah, wait. So, yan. Ito ang kanyang remote. Here's the remote of Jaffer.
Guys, I will rate this a 10 out of 10.
Yeah. And also, this one, the color green. At alloy din siya, guys. Kaya medyo pricey siya, guys, kasi bakal. Oh. Wow! And ito yung kanyang battery. So, anong sabihin nyo kay Daddy?
Thank you, Daddy.
O, ipakita nyo sa vlog ko yung mga, ano nyo, yung toys nyo.
Thank you po, Daddy. Hindi ito iapakin, guys.
Hindi daw apak.
Hindi ito iapakin, ha?
Hindi siya apak.
It's made out of bakal.
So, ayun guys, tuwang-tuwa sila sa kanilang mga laruan. So, mamaya guys, ikabit ko muna yung...
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousand, good on pizza. It's a fruit.
box nila. Wow! Galing naman ng toys. Oh, back mo dito. Ayan, go back. Dito, dali mo dito.
Wag mo na, Jabid.
Sige.
Video pa din ako.
Busy na sila maglaro. Wow, galing naman. Wow, Japper. Wow. Wow, ang Japper.
mahulog na ako.
Mahulog. Wow, galing naman. Oh, dyan, Japper. Dyan ka lang, dyan.
Imagine nandito yung tao sa loob.
Yeah. Wow. Ano nyo rin, i-ganon, oh.
Mami.
Wow, good job. Congratulations, Kuya Jabir.
Congratulations.
Yeah, oh, play na kayo ng toys nyo. Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.